Hey there, awesome kids! Today, we're diving into one of the yummiest and healthiest fruits around, apples. Did you know that apples are not only crunchy and delicious, but they're also packed with amazing health benefits? Let's explore why you should add this fantastic fruit to your snack list. First up, apples are loaded with fiber. Fiber is super important for keeping your tummy happy and your digestion running smoothly. It acts like a broom that cleans your insides, helping to prevent constipation and keeping your gut healthy. So, when you munch on an apple, you're doing wonders for your belly. Next, let's talk about vitamin C. Apples contain this powerful vitamin that helps boost your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off colds and other illnesses. You know how superheroes have shields? Well, vitamin C is like a shield for your body, keeping you strong and healthy. Did you know apples also provide a great source of energy? They're full of natural sugars that give you a quick boost to play, run, and learn. So if you ever feel tired, an apple is a perfect snack to keep you energized throughout the day. Now, here's something really cool. Apples can help keep your heart healthy. They contain antioxidants and are low in bad fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating apples regularly is a tasty way to support your heart. Additionally, apples are great for your teeth. Chewing on an apple can help stimulate your gums and produce saliva, which helps keep your mouth clean and reduces the risk of cavities. So, the next time you reach for a snack, grab an apple. It's tasty, crunchy, and super good for your body. Eating apples helps you stay happy, healthy, and strong. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and healthy tips. See you in the next video, and stay apple-tastic.